Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share with you how I joined the Temu affiliate program, and how you can too. It's honestly one of the easiest ways I've found to start making some money online without needing a website or any tech skills. I started by heading over to the Temu affiliate program page. Just a quick Google search will get you there. Once on the site, I signed up using my email, which only took a minute. After that, I waited for approval, which surprisingly came in just a few hours. Once I got in, I had access to a dashboard filled with everything I needed, tracking links, banners, and performance stats. I immediately started browsing through products and picked a few that I personally liked and thought my audience would too. What I did next was simple. I posted about one of those trending gadgets in my Instagram stories, dropped my affiliate link, and to my surprise, a few friends clicked and actually made purchases. I didn't expect results that quickly, but it showed me how effective it could be. Here's a quick tip. Don't just share random products. Share stuff you'd actually use or recommend. That makes it easier to stay genuine and build trust with your followers, and in turn, earn more commissions. So if you're looking to dive into affiliate marketing without overcomplicating it, the Temu program is a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments if you've tried Temu or plan to. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.